Hey guys, we're back again with another video. So today we're doing an Ottoman, and right now I am just painting the bottom part and the middle section of the Ottoman white. This video will be very self-explanatory and very short because it was an easy project to do.
Every single song I put my pen on, no, they don't know. Or maybe they starting to, cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever, but I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now. Oh, we got nothing to lose.
Okay, so I got 3 pieces of foam, and what I did, I marked out the circular part for the foam with a pencil, and I started using a scissors, but then I end up using a solid thing that you can see my hand. I used that, which would give it an easier cut. And this is the finished product of cutting out the foam. So right now I took a piece of fabric and I covered the whole top, and I'm now marking out where I want to put my buttons. So I will be stapling down each marking.
And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby.
I used glue to hold the buttons into the hole, and then now I am just fastening the underneath of the fabric under the top of the wire spool, so it will give it a finished look. And after that I will be cutting off the excess. And this is the final product. I'm very satisfied, and I hope you are too. Let me know in the comments. Give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next week.